everyone, it's James McIlwee back again, and as you can see there's a big snowstorm out here. This is probably the first blizzard of 2018. Yeah, I probably won't be doing any shoveling until it completely stops. Yeah, because there's lots of heavy wind and heavy snow. Yep. This is on Thursday morning. This is out the back door. And we never really got a chance to go sledding because it's been really cold. So yeah, that's the snowstorm today. I hope you all like this video. Please rate, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. And please be sure to check out my channel for more videos. And thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Take care.